Okay, so welcome back. Today we're going to do some shoulder mobs, both anterior and posterior. So the goal for this is if we're going to do an anterior mob, that is going to increase a patient's extension and external rotation. If we're going to do a posterior mob, that's going to increase flexion and internal rotation. So we're going to start with the anterior mobs. You have the patient prone on the table and towards the edge of the table. I am going to grab his arm and put it in a loose pack position of 55 to 70 degrees of abduction and then 30 degrees of horizontal adduction. I'm going to stabilize at that distal humerus, and then my hand is going to be as close to the joint line and the humeral head as possible. And what I'm going to do is I am going to do a grade 1 distraction, and I'm going to start applying an anterior force. Now, a grade 1 mob is going to be short, quick oscillations, and that's mostly for pain. A grade 2 mob is longer oscillations, not quite to tissue resistance, and that's for pain as well. A grade 3 oscillation is going to be up into tissue resistance, long oscillations, and then a grade 4 would be to tissue resistance, maybe a little bit past, and you do short, quick oscillations. Then I'll have the patient go over to his back on supine. Same thing, I'm going to have his hand in between my side and upper arm here for support, and I'm going to stabilize underneath his elbow. He's going to tickle me a little bit through this process, but that's okay. Same open pack position as before. We're going to do 55 to 70 degrees of abduction and about 30 degrees of horizontal adduction. And I'm going to get right up there at that horizontal line or the humeral line while doing a grade 1 distraction, and the same grades of mobs apply in both anterior and posterior direction.